Hello, everyone. This is Miss Melissa, and today we are going to be reading Tip, Tip, Dig, Dig by Emma Garcia. Look at all this mess. What can we do with it? With our digger we can dig, dig, dig. With our mixer we can mix, mix, mix. With our lifter we can lift, lift, lift. With our tipper we can tip, tip, tip. With the bulldozer we push, push, push. With the road roller we roll, roll, roll. So the digger digs a hole and the mixer mixes the concrete. The tipper truck tips the sand and the crane lifts the wood. The bulldozer pushes the soil and the road roller rolls a path. What did we do with all that mess? We dug, we mixed, we lifted, we tipped, we pushed, and we rolled. And we made a playground. Good job, everybody. And thank you so much for listening today.